In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up file storage in Zoho CRM. If your Zoho CRM account has been running for a while, there's a good chance you've built up a lot of old records, attachments, and files that you don't really need anymore. Even after you delete items, they don't always disappear right away. Instead, many of them sit in the recycle bin and continue to take up storage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to permanently remove those deleted items so you can free up space and keep your CRM running smoothly. We're going to focus on using the purge option in the recycle bin. This is where items go after you delete them from modules like leads, contacts, deals, and others. Think of it like the trash folder on your computer. It's a safety net in case you delete something by accident, but over time, that trash folder can grow very large. When you're sure you no longer need those records, you can empty it to reclaim storage. Start by signing into your Zoho CRM account, then look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Setup menu. Go ahead and click that. The Setup area is where you manage the back-end settings for your CRM, including customization, automation, and data management. Once you're in Setup, look for the section labeled Data Administration. This is the area that controls things like data import, export, backup, and cleanup. Within Data Administration, you'll see an option called Recycle Bin. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. Here, you'll see a list of records that were previously deleted from different modules. You can often filter or sort this list if you need to review specific items. If there's anything you think you might still need, this is your chance to restore it before it's gone for good. Take a brief moment to scan through, especially if multiple users have access to your CRM and might have deleted something important. When you're confident that everything in the recycle bin can be removed, look for the option labeled Empty Recycle Bin. Click this to permanently delete all the records currently in the bin. Zoho may ask you to confirm this action because it cannot be undone. Once you confirm, those items are fully purged from your CRM and the storage they were using will be released. That's all there is to it. By regularly checking and emptying your recycle bin, you can keep your Zoho CRM storage lean, organized,